Hello there. It is a brand new year. But this video is not about season's greetings. It's about an important provision of the PoSH Act that all employers in India need to complete in the new year. Under the PoSH Act, that's the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace, Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013, several actions need to be taken by employers to comply with the law. A key compliance is filing of annual reports under the PoSH Act with the authorities set up under it. This is your how-to guide from Cohere Consultants, who are subject matter experts in all things PoSH.
Who should file annual reports under the PoSH Act?
Every workplace to which the PoSH Act applies needs to do this. Workplace is a wide definition under the law, and almost all establishments, offices, shops, schools, hospitals and even dwelling houses fall within this definition.
Who monitors filing for a workplace?
Under the PoSH Act, the employer of a workplace has been mandated to monitor the timely submission of annual reports. The PoSH Act defines an employer in Section 2(g) of the Act. Basically, if you are responsible for the management, supervision and control of any workplace, you are most likely an employer.
Who prepares the annual report for each workplace?
The internal committee of each workplace is responsible for this. If you don't have an internal committee, then you need to set it up to comply with the law. Internal committees are made up of at least 4 members, of which at least half are women. They have a female presiding officer and an external member. Under Section 4 of the PoSH Act, internal committees are constituted by an employer through an order in writing. If the workplace has offices located at different places, internal committees need to be constituted at all these locations. Every year, the internal committee or IC of each location prepares the annual report for the workplace it has been constituted for.
What information should annual reports contain?
Each annual report needs to give, at the very minimum, as per Rule 14, 5 pieces of information pertaining to complaints received, resolved, timelines maintained, trainings conducted and actions taken by the employer. In certain states or districts, the authorities in charge may ask for even more information.
Who should the annual report be filed with?
Every internal committee needs to submit their annual report to the employer and, as per Section 21 of the PoSH Act, to the district officer. The concerned district officer is the officer notified for every district in the country under Section 5 of the PoSH Act. Some district officers have asked for filing to be through emails or on their website. Some require reports to be posted to them and some want reports to be filed in person.
When do annual reports need to be filed?
An annual report pertains to a calendar year, that is, January to December. So it needs to be filed in the consequent year that it relates to. In several districts, the deadline has been specified as the 31st of January of the consequent year.
So don't wait to get this done. Time is running out. If you need any support, you can reach out to us. Remember, failure to comply could put your organization at risk. Don't take a chance. Just keep it right.